Hi, this is Hashdeep and I'm the founder of Legitt AI. 2 years ago, we launched Legitt AI as world's first and still the only AI native platform to manage deals and contracts. Legitt AI right now is being used by thousands of customers across the globe, including a couple of Fortune 500 customers, a bunch of billion-dollar firms, and thousands of small businesses. 80% of legal work for businesses revolves around contracts, and business owners they struggle to create, analyze, review, and track contracts. Today, we are launching Legitt Draft. Imagine a contract expert always by your side while you're drafting a new contract or reviewing and analyzing a contract sent to you by someone or tracking existing contracts. Won't that be amazing? Let's see Legitt Draft in action.
Introducing Legitt Draft. To start, download Microsoft Word add-in for Legitt from Microsoft AppSource. Once you click on Get It Now, the add-in is available in your Microsoft Word toolbar. Click on the add-in and sign up for Legitt Draft. Once you are signed in, you can draft a contract, review a contract, or chat with a document. Let's draft a contract. Give all the details in this window. For example, let's generate a contract form implementing Legitt AI for Tesla. Even with the very basic information we gave in the prompt, Legitt Draft generated a very detailed contract. All the variables where we need to give further details to make it legally valid have been highlighted. You can directly edit the document in Word or use LANA to further update and modify it. Let's now generate a new contract with more details. Draft a contract for implementation of Legitt AI contract intelligence. The start date of the engagement is 1st August 2025. The end date is 31st August 2025. The total cost is $75,000 to be paid in 3 installments of $25,000 each. The contract is to be signed by Hashdeep from Legitt AI and Elon Musk from Tesla. You can add whatever details are still left or update each of the clauses using LANA. Let's update the governing law. Not only can you draft a contract, but you can also ask specific questions to LANA, just as you would ask your contract specialist. Now let's review a contract that someone sent you. Open the document in Microsoft Word. Click on the Legitt Draft add-in from the toolbar. Click on Review tab, and the Legitt generates a summary of the contract with value, parties, start and end dates, and a high-level summary. Click on Clause Analysis, and it will not only extract all the available clauses in the contract, but also share suggestions as missing clauses. You can further go to the details of each of these clauses. Clicking on Obligations and Alerts fetches all the monetary and non-monetary milestones from the contract. If you want further insights into the contract, click on Deep Dive. You can analyze the contract from perspective of both the parties. You can further deep dive into the risk and compliance details of the contract. As we move ahead, we will keep enhancing the functionality so that your experience improves every day. Download today and start working with your personal contract specialist.